I did build this table part here, storage for pots underneath it, pots on top. Everything has come together nicely there. Um, Everything I'm growing is in here. I got some lettuce that my wife gave me after we ate it. Here, have this and see if you can grow some more lettuce out of it. So I did, and here it is. Um, the rest of it is just flowers and stuff that is being propagated, and otherwise, that's mint. Anyway, water for now. These jugs will eventually not be needed because I am building a huge ass water tank down here. And let's turn off this stupid ass loud fan. Okay. So the problem I've been having is rain getting water down into the bottom of the hole. Don't know if you can see that well. If I come over here, maybe there. Yeah, that's the last of the really, really bad water. That's actually to depth. That's how deep it's going to be. Um, Finally got enough dirt out of there to do that, so that I'm happy. But I've got to get the rest of that mud out and then to the corner, and I still got to lay a slab, and then the cinder block walls, and then it'll be ready for winter, because right now it's not. If I get more water down there, I'm just going to be basically screwed. Other side of this wall has been built up with dirt, so that hopefully no more water will come in here. I did have to rip a hole through the wall to take that water, because going down to the bottom and out was just not working. There was a cat in here. Can you see the cat prints? Cat prints. Anyway, cat was in there. I'm assuming it came in through, oh, see the little hole underneath the wall there? Yeah, that's where the cement pieces are going to basically go to stop getting cats in the greenhouse. But anyway, yeah, that's where I'm at with the greenhouse. I grew stuff, dug a big hole. Yeah, a lot of the dirt went out there and along there, and I grew a beautiful row of sunflowers. Everybody in the neighborhood loves them. I love them. I think I'm going to go even further that way with them next year. I've got other flowers that I want to get going, but that's going to be a very large raised garden bed. It's not finished. I'm out of pallets, and I don't know if I'm getting any more this year, so it might stay like that this winter. I'm not sure. Let's finish off the greenhouse stuff. This was crap dirt. Now it's good dirt. Yes. I wonder what kind of mushroom that is. He's beautiful. Very, very white. I don't know. If you know what kind of mushroom that is, let me know. And if it's magic, I'll eat it. Did I say that out loud? No, I did not. I planted stuff on this side this year, and it all washed away. I have more work to do to waterproof and direct the water better along the front of this part of the thing. I have peppers. This garden here grew very well, and it's still growing very well. Let's see if we can show some peppers. Oh yeah, look at those. Look at all the peppers. Do you see the peppers? The peppers are gonna get you. I don't know why I'm singing. Yeah, cayenne peppers are turning red. They're getting ready to pick. dry out, I'm going to make some great chili powder this year. And down in here, I do have, Scotch bonnets. Where is it? Look at that. Oh, yeah. Get that leaf out of the way. Anyway, they're getting ripe and ready. They hide a little better. Where are you? Show me your deliciousness. There it is. Yeah. Peppers. There's lots of them in there. You just can't really see the habanero, Scotch bonnets, and whatever else I got of that type. But they're there, yeah. So anyway, the U-shaped bed is coming along. I've got it half filled with dirt, half is just filled with stuff. I still need to get more dirt out of the greenhouse and dump it on here. Now, if you also remember, we have flooding problems out here. I'll show a picture or two of the water when it gets there. Yeah, just look at it. Look at it. Anyway, that is the lowest spot, and the water will collect there. So the tractor is going to be bye-bye. As soon as the rains start to come heavy again and winter's here, it'll go bye-bye. I'm going to dig a dry well right in that spot. And that's going to collect all the water that fills up out here. And then I'm going to, well, for this year, I'm just going to take a pipe and send it that way, straight through the yard, front of the garage, and I'll just pump it out of here, where it actually has somewhere downhill to go. But after that, next spring, I still need to get my, I'm going to be digging trenches and putting in French drains to get this water to move properly out of here. So that's where that's going to happen. I'm also going to rebuild this area between there and there, straighten it up. When I have more wood, build a lid over it so that I can park my tractor there, and a lid will lift up and I can drive it away, and when it comes back I can put the lid down, and it won't need to be covered because the lid will do that work. Probably have a little gate in front and gate in the back, whatever. Probably only need one gate. We'll see how it goes. But yeah, it will be really cool, and next fall I won't have to worry about where I'm going to put the lawnmower. It can just stay there. I will probably even cement the ground for a pad for it to sit on. There. Yeah, righty. So that is the majority of everything that's going on in this yard. The sunflowers. This is the end of the thing. There's the little tree. The little tree is alive. Yay! Didn't grow as much as I thought it would this year, but it's been pretty solid. It's not really going anywhere. It's not really doing anything except being. I like the purple, long flowers. I mean leaves. And it's going to go over there. Boom. That's going to be garden at some point. I will probably have to wait till next year to get enough pallets together to finish the walls so I can fill it with stuff and then cover it in dirt and actually grow things on it a year from then. But yeah, I'm gonna get more flowers and stuff. I still want to get rid of those scraggly freaking pine trees. I'm going to chop that stupid thing down because it's ugly. Hardly has any leaves this year anyway. Didn't really do much. Looks like crap. It was dry. There's the other maple that I'll rip out. Yeah, so there's all the way around. There's the tree we took down, and the rhododendron, the hydrangeas. The front of the house, so it needs to get. Well, what I'm going to do is I've got another design for a mold, and it's going to be for flower beds. So it'll take a nice curve around all that. I'll be able to fill it with mulch better, and I won't have to worry about grass encroaching so much, because that's what happens. I think my daughter and wife just came home. Isn't that nice? Yeah, that's them all right. Okay, that's going to be the end of my video. Let me tell you, I've had fun. Hope you did. And all the little bits and pieces that I added onto this should make it pretty fun to watch, I hope. And if you did enjoy it, hit your like button, tell all your friends, and make me famous. Yeah, that's all I want in life. Garage, greenhouse, workbench, everything's cool. Have a wonderful day.